Hey guys, this is MTP Tech, and today we are unboxing Apple Multiport adapter USB-C to digital AV, but in general that pretty much means USB-C, USB-A and HDMI. So let's just take inside and just take a look at it. As you see, USB-C digital AV multiport adapter, USB-C, USB-C, HDMI, USB-A, and suggestion what you can do with it. Okay. Let's open this up. And here's the adapter. Okay, the adapter is bigger than I initially thought. We have some booklet, maybe guide or something. Okay. That's pretty much it. Put back to the side. Let's see what this say. USB-C to digital AV multiport adapter, regulatory compliance, FCC. Okay, there's more. Japanese, Chinese, Turkish, Korean maybe. And this is warranty. More information about the warranty, but it's in French. Okay, and in German too. Okay, here's the adapter itself. Everything is paper. I like it. I like the packaging is always in paper, almost always. Apple Incorporation, 1 Parkway, Cupertino, CA 95014, USA. And here it is, the adapter. Interesting. Simple, but it's bigger than I initially thought, because I thought it's going to be like half the size, because that's the USB, that's USB-A, and that's just USB. Maybe a little bit of waste of space, but yeah. Looks how it looks. Cool. That was MDB Tech and unboxing of Apple USB-C to digital AV, aka HDMI adapter. So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Quick video. Bye.